Welcome to Surveying Lectures by Civil Thinking, and this is the last class in our module Introduction to Surveying, and this is going to be an introduction to the quiz because we have covered so far the lectures on this module Introduction to Surveying. Okay, now in case you want to see if you have learned well, you can take part in this quiz. Okay, so this surveying quiz is based on what? It is based on Introduction to Surveying. Okay, so far we have covered all these lectures, and you can you can find the link of this exam quiz, okay, in the description. So you can when you come here, so you have to click on start exam. Okay, so the timer will begin. Okay, so this is in minutes. Okay, so when you are done doing everything, for example like this, okay, so at the end you will be able to see your score. Okay, so when I am doing this, until now you don't see any button. Okay, so but when I complete all my question answers, okay, so here you will see show score. Okay, so here it will show your score. Okay, and it will also show your how the time that you took to to go through the exam. Okay, so I encourage you to please go through this quiz. Okay, so it will check your understanding. Now in case you don't understand, if you did anything wrong, for example you did things wrong here, okay, so you can see the answers from the playlist. Okay, because the questions here, they all come from what? The my lectures on the module Introduction to Surveying. Okay, so you can go through the playlist. I will also provide the playlist in the in the description. Okay, so if you didn't do well in your exam, okay, you can go through that playlist again and watch those video lectures. Okay, so this is what I want to tell you. Okay, so please go through this, and we'll see you in the next class. Thank you.